Students, let us learn about lithosphere and hydrosphere. See, Earth's crust is hard and it is mainly made of rock. Now let us see what do you mean by Earth's crust. Earth's crust, if you take the cross section or cut, for example, if you take an orange or cut it like this cross section, so innermost part of the earth we can call as what? Core, and middle part we call as mantle, and outermost covering of the earth is called crust. So it is mainly made of rock. When we travel in hilly regions, we see layers of soil and rock along road cuts. We see grassy expanses of land in some places and only sand in others. The land is covered with crops. You know that we grow various crops. Some places we see forest. Sometimes we get to see the deeper layers of soils which tree roots spread. All these things we see. There are gentle mountain slopes as well as sheer cliffs. Sheer cliffs means for steep cliffs. All these land features are a part of the Earth's lithosphere. Much of the Earth's surface is occupied by water. The lithosphere extends under this water too. Means if you look at this region, see here we can see hydrosphere, water we can see. Below water there is land. So lithosphere extends under the water also. Here in this picture you can see the various landforms. First of all, mountain, valley, hill, hillocks. Let us see what is the difference between mountain, hill and hillock. Here mountain means what? It's having more height. We are Everest mountain, we say Mount Everest. The hill, compared to hill and hillock, hillock is smaller and hill is bigger. Now you can see pass. Pass means what? Narrow path over the mountains. Valley. Valley means what? Low lying area between two mountains. Here also you can see valley. Here plain. Plain you know very well. Seashore. Seashore means what? The part of the land near the sea. Here we can seashore. What do we see in the seashore? We see sand. Island. Island means what? Island is a landform which is covered by water in all sides. It is covered by water in all sides. Now let us see here plateau. Plateau means what? Plateau means a raised portion of the land and it has flat over large area of flat surface. See, if you see the mountain, it has pointed surface, but here it has flat surface. That is the difference between plateau and mountain. You know that, see, if you see this simple picture, see, if total circle, if we make 3 equal parts, here 1/3 means 1/3 is covered by land and 2/3 is portion of the earth's surface is covered by waters. You can see more water here on the earth's surface in different forms. About 1/3 of the surface of the earth consists of land. 1/3. 1/3 means what? 1/3. 1/3 of the earth's surface is land. Vast. Vast means what? Very huge. Continuous stretch of land is called continent. What do you mean by continent? You might have studied the names of continents in 4th standard. Let me recall once again. Vast area, continuous stretch of land is called a continent. See here, you see this map. See this map. We can see, when you watch this video, you have to open this book and compare it. See, how many continents are there? See, the continent and the oceans. There are 7 continents in the world. This is the world map, world physical. North America, South America, 2. Africa, 3. Europe, 4. Asia, 5. Australia, 6. And Antarctica, 7. How many continents are there? there are 7 continents in the earth. If you look at this picture, we can you might have understood that land is not even, the surface is not even, and land is uneven. Land is not even, that is uneven in all places. The unevenness gives different shapes to the land, as I explained you now, in different places. They are called landforms. These are the different landforms. These are the different landforms. Let me repeat the names once again. Mountains, valley, hill, hillock, seashore, plain, islands, plateau, and valley. At the river here, see here, river. River means what? It's a water body. It will not include in landform.